Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, and today I want to talk about a great choice for a Class C gas motorhome, the Thor Chateau. There are a dozen different floor plans in the Chateau line. 5 of the 12 are available with either a Ford E350 or Chevy 3500 chassis, and the rest all sit on a Ford E450. Chateaus range in length from 24 feet to a smidge over 32.5 feet. Every Chateau is capable of towing your toad, as each has a hitch weight rating of 8,000 pounds. Before we get into specific floor plans, just a note about their similarities. All of them have a comfortable and convertible dream dinette that is at least 71 inches in length, sits 4, and sleeps 1 to 2 adults. All of them also have a 54 by 96 inch cab over bunk capable of sleeping 2 adults, so all of them can sleep a minimum of 5. First on our Chateau list of floor plans is a great one for a couple who doesn't mind a few guests, the Chateau 22B. This model has a single slide in the bedroom to pull out the queen bed and a nice sized closet along with a privacy curtain to finish off the bedroom. As far as the kitchen, you'll find a sleek straight line design. Our second Chateau is the 22E. This non-slide model moves the queen bed over to the rear campside corner, shares the back wall with the bathroom, and conveniently sits right beside the fridge. You'll find a sleek straight line kitchen in this model as well. Next up is the Chateau 24F. The 24F has a driver's side wall slide pulling out the entire side, containing the queen bed, dual wardrobes, and a dream dinette. The 24F adds a pantry to the straight line campside kitchen. Our number 5 Chateau as we travel up the line is the Chateau 25V. If the V doesn't stand for versatile, it ought to, as this model sports a rear wall commanding twin bed set convertible into a single king. Closet space sits campside next to the straight line kitchen, and the dream dinette sits in a slide to expand the living area. Up next is the Chateau 26B. Effectively, the 26B is like the 22B, only larger to accommodate a jackknife sofa and creates a larger kitchen by making it a walk-through. Campside, you'll find the fridge and across from it a fat L-shaped countertop to go along with the range and pantry. Halfway through the Chateau line, we find the Chateau 27R. You'll find a wall slide on the driver's side pulling out the jackknife sofa, the deep kitchen countertop, and a king bed. The bedroom also has a long wardrobe closet against the rear wall. Like the 26B, the fridge is on the campside. On to the next Chateau, the Chateau 28E. This is the first Chateau as we go up in the line to have 2 slides. The queen bed has been moved to the campside but remains in a slide. On the driver's side, you'll find a slide housing the dream dinette and jackknife sofa. Across from it sits the straight line kitchen with a wide countertop around the sink. Now we go to the end of the alphabet and take a look at the Chateau 28Z. The 28Z is the first of the Chateau models to have a pocket door to create a nice private space for the bedroom. The queen bed is walk-around and is flanked by wardrobes. A living area slide sits driver's side containing the dream dinette and most of the kitchen with its wide countertop. Across from it sits the jackknife sofa. The 40-inch swivel TV has been moved from the cab over area to sit above the dream dinette. Now we roll on into the 31 series. Most of the 31 series comes with a 32-inch TV in the bedroom standard. First, let's take a look at the Chateau 31B. As you may have expected, the 31B is similar to the other Bs, the 22B and 26B. The 31B has the queen bed and a driver's side slide, but adds an additional large driver's side slide containing the dream dinette, kitchen counter and range, pantry, and the bathroom's vanity sink. The rest of the bathroom is campside, having been split to accommodate a pocket door in front of the bathroom so you can have a true master suite. The bedroom also has a walk-in closet with dual dressers and washer-dryer prep. The fridge sits across from the kitchen counter and next to the jackknife sofa, and the 40-inch living area TV has also been placed above the dream dinette. Next up is the unique Chateau 31E. This model has extra sleeping space with a pair of stacked twin bunks located in the driver's side wall slide next to the master bedroom's long dresser and closet. The bathroom is walk-through with private access from the bedroom, plus the bedroom has a pocket door to separate it from the bunks. As such, you can create a master suite if you desire. The length of the 31E allows Thor to add a handy pull-out pantry placed next to the campside fridge. You'll find the 40-inch TV has been put back into the cab over bunk area. With the addition of the bunks, the 31E can sleep up to 8. Our second to last Chateau floor plan is the 31W. The 31W is very similar to the 31E with a few simple changes. The W takes out the bunks, replacing that section with a massive closet and moving the pull-out pantry from campside to driver's side. It also changes the bathroom back to a traditional single-access room and moves the 40-inch TV from the cab over bunk area back to above the dinette. Both the Chateau 31E and 31W have additional derivative models called the Victory Series. These are slightly different in terms of amenities, but are essentially equal. We've come to the final Chateau floor plan, the Chateau 31Y. What makes the Chateau 31Y stand out are a few choice moves. The queen bed is a walk-around, and a 32-inch TV comes standard in the bedroom. The 40-inch living area TV is now against an interior wall and swivels into ideal viewing position. The cab seats are now swivel chairs. The driver's side slide includes the bedroom closet, pull-out pantry, jackknife sofa, and the entire kitchen. Now we move on to check out some pretty sweet features you can find on the Thor Chateau. Inside, you will find an 84-inch ceiling height, comfy seating in the leatherette dinette booth, with most dinettes having USB charging ports. You'll also find more USB ports in the bedroom, along with a convenient outlet for a CPAP machine. Two highlights in the kitchen are the large single-bowl stainless steel sink with a single-handle pull-down sprayer-style faucet, and most have a pop-up countertop outlet and charging center. In the cab, you'll find a touchscreen dash radio with backup monitor and integrated camera, with most also adding navigation. On the Chateau exterior, you'll find excellent amenities such as a power patio awning with LED lighting, lighted rotocast storage compartments, and Onan RV gas generator. Plus, as an option on the exterior, most can come with a 32-inch exterior TV on a swivel bracket with Bluetooth soundbar and radio. As you can see, the Thor Chateau is an all-encompassing line of Class C motorhome designed for you and your camping family to see our beautiful country. With their wide variety of floor plans, we're sure you'll be able to find the Class C motorhome you want in a Thor Chateau.